Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madge, and for today's video, we're going to try yung first hack for crystals and gold bars or gold for these coin dash birds, kung magiging effective ba siya or okay pa ba yung hack, because upon research yung mga nabasa kong comments, and then gumagana siya before, so we will try kung gumagana pa rin siya this time, para at least naman sa mga walang referrals or anything, pwede nilang gawin ito. So, try natin kung effective ba itong hack na to for coin dash birds. So, bago tayo mag-proceed, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated to my latest videos. So, let's talk about this hack in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys! So, ang gagamitin kong account for this one is the second account of mine, or yun nga, pag gagawa ka ng self-referral, make sure na iba IP address. But yun nga, until now, hindi ko pa naman din nire-recommend si Coin Dash Birds because of the crystal policy and rules nila. So, as you can see, yun nga, 0.40 lang. Di ba, nag-retire dito ng $1, €1. So, 0.40 lang nakuha natin. So, yun nga, hindi siya worth it for me for the meantime. But if yung mga hacks na gagawin natin, to try natin kung maging effective siya, so why not? So, we're going to find the way na para kumita dito kay Coin Dash Birds, kasi as of the moment, hindi ka nga kikita pa dito. So, try muna natin dito. So, kunin muna natin yung gold, daily gold bonus. And before tayo i-try yung first hack na research natin or nakuha ako, parang ganon, kung baka pa pwede. Kasi, di ba, we tackle last time yung parang katulad neto, yung golden dash farm. So, parehas nga sila ng format. So, yung golden dash farm na hack is baka gumana dito, or yun nga, even though na parehas din naman sila. So, ito-try natin. So, ayan, as of the moment, ito, matagal nga talaga kung makakuha tayo ng hack, mas okay kasi mabibilis yung inyong earnings. But kung hindi siya gumana, ito try natin yung second hack. At I'm still waiting for the reply nung kasi parang software naman yun. Ito kasi it's a website. So ito is cc-imple.com. So kailangan nyo here is the email address or username. Yun ang pwedeng nyo ilalagay dyan. Pero, email lang pala. So, ayaan nyo, kakopy nyo, and then, ayan, after that, kung ano yung gusto nyo, or crystal, gold, o gold bar, I think gold lang to, not gold bars pala. Sorry, guys. So, yun nga, upon research then sa mga comments regarding about this website, gumagana siya before. So, ngayon 2022. So, we will try kung gumagana pa rin ba ito. So, after that, click get. Tapos yan, mag-aano na siya. Parang magko-connect the server, validating. So, let's see kung gagana. Let's hope para at least yung mga ayaw magkaroon ng referral, diba? Kasi iba parang ang ano lang dito is nagiging kikita ka for the referral. OMG. So, meron siyang human verification before, wala kasi. So, ano ba ito? Sagutin ang 4 na katanungan upang manalo ng malaking gantimpala. Take a free survey to become a millionaire now. Please complete an offer below to finish the human verification process. This is to prevent bots and suspicious third-party application from taking advantage of this generator. So, pipili daw tayo. So, kailangan din tapusin. itong verification, human verification. So let's try one kung okay ba siya. So ano pa, kung paano itong verification. Parang it's a survey type siya, guys. So hindi ako swerte sa mga survey type. So how old are you? So mamimili na lang tayo. Siguro hindi naman nga malalaman kung ano yung age. So pwede tayo manghula anything. It's just a survey. So what is your financial goal for the next 5 years? Buy a house. How much would you invest right now to get closer to your financial goal much faster? So ayan, do you have any experience in Bitcoin trading? Beginners. So yeah, let's try. Thank you. Excellent. 35 out of 35. So let's click get offer. So wala naman ibang pwedeng i-click. Oh, so parang it's a loan, and then nagpa-process pa rin siya. So hindi tayo pwede So kailangan ko mag-request ng loan. So wala na siyang other options here to click. So dapat kung verification lang siya, wala. OMG. So hindi siya okay, I guess. But I think let's try another one. Kasi kapag kinilik natin get started, of course, magkano tayo? We need to take the loan, but hindi natin kailangan yung loan. Diba? So, still processing pa rin siya. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, guys, hindi ako sa mga surveys. But, let's try another one. Kung okay. So, another test. So, yung iba-iba naman siguro itong survey. So, I guess, iba-iba naman din siyang result. So, kung parehas pa rin siyang get a loan, I think hindi na siya gumagana. Hindi na siya okay. But, if you want to try, yun nga, try nyo pa rin sa c.impol.com kung magpa-proceed kayo. Kasi, for me, pagdating sa mga survey na ganito, kadalasan hindi ako lucky. Kasi even sa mga kunyari pag I don't know, sa mga offer links na may survey, hindi ako nakakuha, but yung iba na napapanood ko nakakuha sila. So still the same. So I guess itong hack na to is not working anymore, but we will try another hack. I'm just waiting for the response kasi software siya. I think bibilin ko ata yun, but we will see. Pag-iisipan ko kung bibilin ko or hindi, if ever may payment siya, kasi kailangan siya i-email. So this hack is not working. So ganyan na siya. So but kayo, kung gusto nyo pa rin siya try nyo lang siya, guys. So c-impol.com siya. So I don't think or for me, I don't recommend this hack na to, but we will try another ways, guys, for you. So for the meantime, di ko muna nire-recommend si Birds, but still paying pa rin naman siya. So wait for my next video. So try natin yung another hack. So I'm just waiting for the response. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated to my latest videos and updates regarding about these Birds. So until next time, guys, see you again. So goodbye.